good day. In this video, I'll be reviewing Monopoly Go. Monopoly Go offers a casual take on the classic board game where you roll 2 dice to move your piece around the iconic board. Everything you know from Monopoly is present, but the rules have changed to make it an even more ruthless version of the property buying game. It's designed to be a take no prisoners experience. When you start the app, it encourages you to sign up your friends as well. Friends or strangers will pop up on your board in various spaces. If you land your piece on one of those spaces, they'll pay you rent. Railroad spaces in Monopoly Go activate one of two activities: shut down or bank heist. If a landmark gets shut down, you'll get a chance to partially demolish a building owned by one of the players. Going bankrupt in Monopoly Go carries no real penalty since it's impossible to go into debt. However, it can provide a major setback for your progress. If you are in the market for a new mobile game, Monopoly Go might be amusing, especially for those who have played this game on the board, since it offers a new different kinds of experience. However, some people found it lacking in certain areas. I hope this review was helpful, and thank you for watching. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now go ahead and enjoy playing Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.